Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you why is SoFi not working. 2026. If your SoFi app or website is not working, there can be several common reasons. Server issues or outage. Sometimes SoFi's servers are down or under maintenance, which can temporarily prevent the app or website from working. Internet connection problems. A weak or unstable internet connection can stop the app from loading properly. Outdated app or browser. An old version may cause compatibility issues, preventing the app from functioning correctly. App glitches or bugs. Temporary software problems or bugs can cause the app to freeze or crash. Cache or corrupted data. Damaged cache or data can also prevent the app from working properly. Login or authentication issues. Incorrect login details, expired sessions, or MFA problems can block access. Device issues. Low storage, insufficient RAM, or OS compatibility issues can affect app performance. Sometimes users also report that certain features suddenly stop working, which is often due to temporary technical issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.